Hey everybody, it's Alex from Hannemann here, and today I have a quick announcement and an unboxing video. So my quick announcement for everybody is the giveaway for my 100 subscribers will be uploaded on Sunday, and make sure to stay tuned to see who the winner is. And then I received a package that I ordered from Steve over at Uncle Buck's Forge. I know exactly what it is, but I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I just have a nice crumb that I received for Christmas a few Christmases ago. So I'm just cutting into the sides. There shouldn't be anything fragile or anything in here, so don't have to be super careful, but better safe than sorry. He did one crazy tape job, or this was the USPS, because it's taped up about darn near everywhere, and it's looks like it's been busted into, or at least partially cracked on a few places, but I have confidence that it's just fine. So I've got some forge lighting materials here. Whole bunch of forge light materials, so he must have been able to pack everything into this break. Excuse the shake, I am on my bed. Just the best open recording spot for me at the time, so not for you guys to see. Got my address on it. Oh, come on. I'm never good with this saran wrap stuff. I suppose I should tell you what I ordered. So, I ordered a guillotine kit from Steve. And this is a blacksmithing guillotine tool. If you go to his channel, I'll drop a link in the description down below, Uncle Buck's Forge. He runs an Etsy shop and a YouTube channel, but he makes these awesome guillotine tools. And I purchased the kit because of the fact I need to do some welding and learning more about welding. And the way I learn more about welding is I'm a welder for Skills USA, and I thought this would be a great little project for me. So, yeah. So here are 3 of the blanks for the dies. These will need to get cut and be used as, you know, the chompers. There we go. This is another die. This is a 1018 die, and these are 4140 dies I ordered separately. Yeah, so those should be pretty cool. Right here is 2 sidebars, and then we have the front, and then the back plate, so you can put your die in vertically, like this, and then you hit on the top, and you mark your metal. And this is just a bottom plate that'll all get welded to. I will end up welding a 7/8 by 7/8 shank on the bottom, so it fits in my nice brand new anvil. If you guys haven't checked out that video, that's the latest video I posted. But yeah, so this will go right on my anvil. I'll have my super sweet guillotine kit, and it should allow me to do all kinds of different things, like making the bevels on a knife, or just about anything I can think of that would use this tool. If you guys haven't seen them in action, go check out just about anybody like Black Bear Forge or Christ Centered Ironworks or Uncle Buck's Forge. He has a video on making one of these. I will come out with a video of making one of these, but it'll be a few weeks, maybe a few months. It really depends on when I get around and have time to practice making stuff for welding. So thank you guys for watching my video. Again, 100 subscriber video will be out on Sunday. Keep your eye out for that. And got my awesome guillotine kit. So that's my video. Thank you guys, and I'll have a great day. Goodbye.